want to download others template. We provide the download link in the description. Now we can guide you how you can easily edit this template. Open the downloaded folder. There you see the After Effects file. Open this file. There you see the project panel. Go to Snail Motion folder and open Edit folder. First of all, we add the screenshots. So, open the screen folder and there you see the screen's compositions. Now open each composition one by one. Now drag and drop your app screenshot and resize accordingly. Go to Final Composition, there you see the images auto sync and animation auto work. So next part is to change text. So again go to Edit folder and go the text folder. Open text composition and simply change the text with your Go to all text composition and change the text like that. To check again, go to Final Composition and there you see the text changed. You can also control the colors at one place. Click on this color control layer and make sure you check the effect panel option. Here you see the options. You can change the title and detail text. Thanks for choosing snailmotion.com. Don't forget to give your feedback.